There's no restraint with all these cables here. Within construction, sometimes these things get missed. So this cable is for that water bonding that we spoke about, which is the black. Yeah. See how important this earth is? You need to put them in the same hole. The other problem that we have with this board is that there's no label. Hi, so today we have a EICR failure with earth bonding, equipotential bonding. We're going to show you how we install the new bonding for the Fuseboard, which is the Fuseboard is here. And this Fuseboard has been put in just last year, which they've put in a split load board. We didn't do the installation for here, and as you can see, all these cables are not connected. There's no restraint with all these cables here. We're going to have to do a nice tidy up to make this compliant. All right. Okay, so this is the water pipe that you can see here. There used to be a clamp here where the old bonding cable was, but they've had works done, and with construction sometimes these things get missed. So as you can see, we've got plastic piping which doesn't require bonding, but where the actual cable comes in is metal, and that part goes in the ground, so it does need to be bonded. Alright, so this cable is for that water bonding that we spoke about, which is all the way down here and goes across to here. So we're going to show you how we get the cable in. So we're going to bond from here. We're going to take the cable down across here, and we're going to get into here where the actual gas pipe is, which is in here. Alright, so this cable is suitable for outside. It doesn't actually need any protection. This particular one is fire rated, low smoke fire rated. But for the aesthetics of it, we're going to use some black corrugated flexible conduit, which will make it look tidy with the black. The accessories and the trim. Found another route. Okay, so we've run our bonding cable. Woo! As you can see. We've gone for black conduit, and we've come into here where we have the gas. So the last part now is the connection for the gas and the water. So stay tuned and watch how we get on. Contact with the clamp. I think so. Yep.
If you're installing a bonding clamp, it's crucial to follow proper safety procedures and ensure the connection is secure and complies with relevant standards. If in doubt, consult an electrician to ensure the system is correctly bonded and grounded.
The rule is, if you put the live and the neutral like this, yeah, these two will start becoming live. There's nothing to balance it. See how important this earth is? You need to put them in the same hole, yeah? They call it electromagnetic force. This is another problem. Oh, I want this to come to the back. The cables in the Fuseboard and connect them any breaker they feel like. 16 amp for the light, whatever. This is why it's so important to find somebody that's competent. Not even connected properly, look. Not connected properly at all.
Oh
okay.
no!
Okay. The new cable that we ran from the gas and the water. Unfortunately, I'm working with a pre-existing wiring board, and the cables have not been put in the best way at all. If you look here, all these cables. This Fuseboard was only put in this year. New Fuseboard, yeah? All of these were loose, every single one of these connections here. And if you look in here in this Henley block, you can see he's put a power connection and not bothered to terminate it correctly in the armored cable. I guess that would be the extension, maybe for a outhouse at the back of the, oh it is. Yeah, so he's just chucked them in, not terminated them properly, and left them in that sort of state. So the other problem that we have with this board is that there's no label at all. So the customer doesn't know what circuits belong to what, and in the event of a emergency, you won't be able to turn off the fuse board, the circuit, to know which circuits is belonging to where. So we're gonna get that labeled and let you know which circuits belong to which one. What happened here is this is open. We call this a C1. It's a potential for immediate danger, really. Somebody pushes their fingers in there, they can have a nasty shock. So we're going to fill that. Yeah. Okay, we finished our EICR fails. So we're going to do the paperwork and we'll go through and show you how that's done, maybe in another video. But we have another happy customer. Woo! Thanks for watching and stay tuned for another fantastic video. Thanks.